Welcome to this super quick tutorial on how to create an AR tour within 5 minutes. The first thing that we're going to do is to create an empty AR tour. And you can do that via the web manager or via the phone. And I'm going to show you how to do that via the Wintor web manager. So first thing you need to do is to go to web.wintor.com. And when you're logged in, this is what you see. I don't have any recent tours. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create a new tour. So I click on create new tour. I'm going to say this is test tour. Let's test Wintor AR tours. It's going to be very quick. Just try Wintor wherever you are. For the first try, you can just stay at home. So this tour is going to be 10 meters. I can select a language. It's not needed, but let's just say it's Dutch. I'm going to select a tour poster and then I'm going to press submit. And that's it. We just created an empty new tour. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create our first AR spots. You create the AR spots, so the different locations of your tour, on your phone. That means you always need to get out to the actual location to place the virtual items. The first thing that you will see when you open up the app is the Discover page. You can find all kinds of public AR tours that you can do yourself, and you will be able to find your own future tours when you've created one that you can try as a visitor. For now, we're going to create our AR tour first. So I want you to press on Create, and here you will see the AR tour that we just created. And now you can press on Tour Spots to add the first spot to your AR tour. I'm going to use the cabinet as an AR spot because an AR spot needs to be a physical location that doesn't move that much, that doesn't have a lot of water in it or plants or stuff that will change over time. Because right now we're going to use the camera input to teach the computer how to recognize this location later without the need of QR codes or image markers. So capture the environment really from multiple angles. When you're done, then the progress bar is complete and you can press on complete. Now you're in editing mode. Now we can really start adding some materials to our scene. I would highly recommend you to first start adding a 3D model onto the ground because that's the easiest and also one of the most fun things to add to an AR scene. In this case, I'm going to add a dinosaur. As you can see, I can move around the dinosaur by moving around my finger and pressing in the middle of that blue circle. I can also rotate the dinosaur by using the blue circle and really move around using that. But there are many different tools in the bottom bar that I would highly recommend you to try yourself and to learn how to rotate and move an object in many different ways. And I'm also going to show you how to add an image to your wall as if you're hanging up a picture, because this can be tricky sometimes. Because I'm on an iPhone Pro with a depth sensor. I can see by the color of the asset, if it's dark or colored, I can see if it's in a wall or not. If you don't have a depth sensor, I would highly recommend you, when placing a 2D object and trying to locate it on your wall, to move around and see this object from multiple angles. That way you will be able to see whether your virtual asset is in a wall or right in front of the wall. And also when you're trying this and you think it's way too difficult and you want some help, we offer multiple free workshops that you can sign up for on our website and will make you an absolute expert in Wintor. Now we're going to save the AR spot. You save an AR spot by taking a picture of the location. And this is a really important step because it will help your visitor later to locate your AR spot. When you've taken a picture of the AR spot, you can enter some more details like a title and a short description, and then you will be able to locate your AR spot. If you press on the bottom in the right corner, you can disable GPS and you can just press on the screen to locate this AR spot wherever you want. You can also turn the GPS back on whenever you like. Then you save it and you're done actually. You have created your first AR tour with your first AR spot. If you want to try your AR tour as a visitor, go back to the Discover page and then you will be able to see your own AR tour at the bottom. Now you can press on the AR tour and on the AR spot. You move around your camera a bit to capture your environment, and within approximately 3 seconds, the environment is recognized and the assets are located again at the exact same location that you placed them. Cool, right? I hope you really enjoy trying out Wintor AR tours. If you want any help, reach out to us via email or on our Discord channel. And we hope to see many more AR tours from you very soon.